In this video, you'll learn how to create an account in Lovable. This process involves navigating through several steps to set up your account efficiently and effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Google and press Enter on your keyboard. Once the Google homepage loads, you will see the search bar prominently displayed at the center of the screen. Next, input Lovable AI into the search bar and press Enter. This action will present you with search results related to Lovable. Look for a link labeled Build Apps and Websites with AI, Fast No-Code App, and click on it. This link will direct you to the official Lovable website. Once the Lovable website is open, locate and click on the button that says Login. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. After clicking, you will be taken to the login page where you can start the account creation process. After that, find the button labeled Start Building and click on it. This will prompt you to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will be guided to create one. Next, click on Continue with Email to proceed. This option will allow you to register using your email address. Alternatively, you can choose Continue with Google to use your Google account for quicker registration. If you select the Google option, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the account you wish to use and click Continue. This action will allow Lovable to access your Google account information necessary for setting up your new account. Once you've selected your account, click on Continue to proceed. You will then be directed to a page where you can customize your Lovable experience. Next, you will see an option labeled Pick Your Style. Click on this to select a theme for your Lovable AI. This step is crucial as it personalizes your interaction with the platform. After choosing a theme, click on Next. You will then be prompted to enter your name. Click on What's Your Name and type in your name in the provided field. Once you've entered your name, click on Next to move forward. You will then be asked to select a role that fits you best. Click on which role fits you best to view your options. Next, click on Other. If none of the provided roles suit you, then click on Solo to indicate that you will be using Lovable for individual projects. At this point, a message indicating submitting will appear on the screen. This indicates that your information is being processed. Wait for a moment while the system completes this step. But finally, you will receive a confirmation that states you have created an account. This message confirms that your account setup is complete and you are now ready to use Lovable's features. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.